These aren't classes where you just sit and listen. You're actually creating every day.
You're in the studio working with real equipment and figuring things out as you go.
It feels way more hands-on than anything I've ever done.
It doesn't feel like typical schoolwork, it feels real.
The excursions are a big part of it, especially early on. You get to go out and shoot at so many different places.
We're not just stuck in a classroom. We're going out and shooting in real environments.
You're learning while you're actually doing it, not just talking about it.
This year, me and Taylor were selected to go to Vegas. It was such an awesome opportunity.
It showed how far you could take this if you really commit to it.
You come up with an idea and you actually bring it to life.
Seeing your work turn out how you pictured it is the best feeling.
You can really see yourself improving with every project.
One of the biggest things is the connections you make through this program.
You meet people who are already in the industry, and that opens up a lot of doors.
It's not just practice, you're getting real opportunities to work.
A lot of us are already even doing paid work while we're still in school.
You're building your portfolio and your network at the same time.
Everyone here pushes each other to get better.
It's competitive, but in a good way. It makes you want to keep improving.
You're surrounded by people who actually care about what they're creating.
That environment makes you want to work harder.
It's more than just a program.
This is where you figure out who you are as a creator.
This is where it starts.